Hi there, students. In the comments section, I had a comment from Inju Juan saying, are the words prophecy, professor, and profession, do these all come from the same root? And I tried to look it up when I was making the comment on the comments video, but it's more complicated than that. But I think it's certainly worth a video. Let's see, a prophecy is when somebody tells the future. They tell you what's going to happen by magic, by supernatural powers. A professor, a university teacher, and a profession, the job that you do. What is your profession? Now, yes, all of these words are related. They come from, believe it or not, a proto-indo-european root. This is thousands of years old. The word Baha, B-H-A, and Baha means to speak, to say, to tell. And this has given us a huge number of words. So, a prophecy. Okay, this comes firstly from French, yeah? Prophet, yeah, but that itself comes from Latin propheta, which comes from Greek prophetes, okay, and a prophetes is a spokesperson, somebody who says something, but particularly somebody who speaks for a god, yeah, and here this is where it comes from, this Baha root, meaning to speak or to tell. Okay, the word a profession, okay, or a professional. Okay, this comes from Old English. We've still Old French. We've got profession, which was used 1,000 years ago in French, from the Latin professio, a public declaration, yeah, to declare openly, yeah, and we're now getting into this Baha meaning, yeah, the H is definitely there, and okay, a professor, a profession. Yeah, this is related to maybe profess, a public declaration. You let everybody know that you are. This is what you do, and then a professor. Well, again, this comes from this idea of speaking. Yeah, of somebody who says things. Yeah, and we've got loads and loads of words that actually come from this. So all of these phonetic words, as in heterophone, these come from this ba root. Homophone, yeah, megaphone, microphone. Yeah, or maybe we have, for example, a word aphasia. Aphasia. This comes from the inability to speak, when you lose the power of speech. Okay, so this ba word, it gave rise to a Greek word, pheme, yeah, or phone. A pheme is either the speech or a voice, and the phone, the sound of a voice or of an animal, yeah, which comes from phani, to speak, and this itself has come from this Baha root. Okay, and for example, in Old Irish, we've got a word ban, the banns of marriage, a law. Yeah, okay, so this word Baha has lots and lots and lots of uses. For example, infamous or infant, or yeah, I like this, the word banlieue, the outskirts of a city. This is a French word, but this is also related to this Baha word, this speaking word. So to profess, a profession, professional. The preface to a book, a prophet, a prophecy. Yeah, a symphony, telephone, our phone, this is related to it. And fate and fateful. And fado, for example, a type of Portuguese song. Probably they have this in Brazil as well. Okay, so it's interesting how one word from a long way back has come to give us a whole host of different words. And that effectively is the answer to this question. So enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Bahar, profession, professor, prophet, and many more.